check now. This thing is seems to be have run out of diesel, so we're gonna just bleed it quickly. Yeah, bubbles, bro, bubbles. Check, it almost suits you, bro. Oh, you should fucking get a Ford, bro. Don't you think you'd prefer a Ford to a Toyota?
I've already got a Ford of the boss.
Alright, let's go. Check the back, I check the front. Okay, close one. Wait, crank, so, not too long.
Number 5, go ahead.
Wait. Calm the fuck down, bro.
I think we put petrol into this thing, bro.
You probably did.
Petrol's cheaper than diesel, so...
This thing will run on anything.
Is it?
Run on the anything. Anna's redone most of the shady wiring, checked some fuses, changed some relays, ripped the dash out, sorted out the vents, sorted out the fans and everything. Aircon. Still got to deal with the mirrors. They're not working yet, but progress. I want to take that horrible white dash out as well.
Took 2 tracking systems.
And 2 tracking systems and a tom-tom. All right, let's see if she starts. Just a liar, bro.
Several days later.
We're winning here in the sun.
We're having lots of fun in this.
Driver's side, had a Taiwanese tail out in. You can see that's the Ford one. That's the Taiwan one. That's wrong. All right, so we noticed now they broke one of the little feet that you use to change your, so the windscreen blower is not working, which is great because now we can get rid of this hideously painted dash. Whoever painted this dash, what's wrong with you, bro? What's wrong with you? Are you winning there, Anna? Lots of wires for today, hey? Make you happy.
For sure.
Alright, so we took that hideous thing out. Looks like somebody spray painted it white. Replace it with another one. There's the nice new grey dash, second-hand one. Not new, but newer than the ugly white one. So we're going to put the grey one in, as opposed to that hideous thing there. Got a nice new one for here. Let's take some parts off this mofo here. Actuators. I think it's this one here. Yeah, gotta get this one out here. This one's broken. So here in Dunoon, we've got rats, we've got cats, and I've got whatever this creature is that's crawling on my chassis at the moment. But yeah, as you can see, things are wild out here. Check this creature, it just came out here from under the truck and it's crawling on the chassis. I don't know, just let me know in the comments if you think we should feed it. That's our view to work every morning. It's the My City bus lane. Did an 8-hour engine swap. We pulled that motor out, put another motor in, connected everything. We're gonna now start it. Had a couple of problems, had to swap the alternator, swap a couple of cables that weren't the same, but essentially it's the same motor and We're now going to start it up for the first time and see what happens. The engine swap work. Put that key in. I'm going to turn it. I'm not going to crank it now. I'm going to let the diesel, the electric pump fill up all the things. Everything's sounding good and normal. I'm going to just top up the ATF. Turn that off now. Top up the ATF and all that so that we don't start with any pumps dry or anything. Water is in. Check, check, check. Here we go. Topped up the ATF. Moment of truth. Did our engine swap work? First time, my man.